hit. No, that's Suffolk, but yeah, Suffolk was more like slap, but yeah, he hit. He hit Amr. Amr got hit by Zayd. Same thing, right? All right. All of these sentences are grammatically correct. All 6. They're all the same words, but they all, the matter is the same. The meaning of all these is exactly the same. And they're all grammatically correct. English, you can't do that. If I say, Mas'ud hit Bayan, and I say, Bayan hit Mas'ud, it's totally opposite. The meaning is not the same. Nor can I say, hit Mas'ud Bayan. If I say that, that means I'm telling you to hit Mas'ud Bayan. See what I'm saying? I can't use the verb first. I use the verb first. So that in English you can't use the verb first. That automatically makes it something totally different. You can, but the meaning is totally different. In Arabic, you can have the verb first, the doer of the verb first, or the person the verb got done to first, and they all can still all mean the same thing. The only difference, the general meaning is the same. And if you were to translate into English, any of these 6, it would still mean that Zayd hit Amr. And that's how you translate. That's how each one of it. You had the Arab, the New English, and you told them to translate, or English speaking who speaks Arabic. Either one, that's how you translate. If this is a statement from the ulama and it was put into a book, that's how the person would translate. Because that's what really happened. That's how it is. That's the only way you really can translate. Now, you might ask, so what is the difference between this one, that one, and that one? If somebody these are all informative sentences. So if somebody wants to inform somebody of what happened, there was an event, a hadith, there was an event, something happened, an occurrence, what happened? So let's say that the person doesn't have any clue what happened. So what are you going to mention first? Who got hit? The person who did the hitting, or the fact that somebody got hit? If they don't know anything about the event at all. You're going to say somebody got hit, right? So you're going to say first, Daraba, Zaydun Amr. Actually, this is actually more complicated. Mistake. Because most of the time an Arab will use a fi'liya sentence. They'll use a sentence that is verbally based first. Because the first thing is they want to know what happened. You talk to the person as though they don't know what happened first, unless you know that they knew something about it. So, if you're just giving somebody the information, and, something happened in the street, little girl runs up, she's like, Darba, I'm going to say, and Darba, Zayd, she tells you, something happened. What happened? Somebody got hit. Who did the hitting? Now this thing is, who hit who?
Zayd hit Amr.
Zayd hit Amr. Now, if you know, if the person already knows that a hitting took place, somebody hit somebody, but now they want to know, or you think that the first thing they want to be informed of, or they need to be informed of, is who did it. They know something happened, they know somebody got hit, now who did it? Zaydun daraba Amran. If you think that them being informed of who did the hitting as opposed to who got hit should be first. Both are completely grammatically correct. No Arab can correct this. Based on the tashkil, that's what actually makes it correct. Now, all the tenses are in the right place. Now, somebody knows that a hitting took place, and somebody knows that Zayd hit somebody. Now you want to know, what did he hit? Amran daraba Zayd. Now you tell them first what they need to know first. Because they already know this part right here. This is already known. Now they want to know who got hit. Some people, they want to know who got hit. Somebody hit, they want to know who got hit first. They want to know who got hit. You know what I'm saying? Who got knocked out? Big fight happened. Who got knocked out? Here's a knockout. Who got knocked out? Pacquiao, another guy. Took all the money out that fight. Just drain that fight. Anyway, now, let's say you want to tell them they don't know what happened, and you think that they perhaps will want to know what happened, then who it happened to, and then who did it. Daraba, Amran, Zayd.
This is for them. This is for them.
Yes, well, yeah, whoever,
I mean, we did this.
Yeah, you did this already, yeah. So, I mean, yeah. We all have lives. Now, if somebody, like the example I used earlier, if Mother's in the kitchen cooking dinner, she hears a ruckus. She hears a lamp drop. Lamp drops. They had to fight. Somebody hit somebody, knocked into the lamp. Knocked the boy down, knocked into the lamp broke. What y'all doing in there? Nosy little sister, you know how that goes. Noah's little sister runs in, Mama, Zayd doing Amrun Darba. She wants to make sure that Mama knows that Zayd did it. She might want to get Zayd in trouble. She might want to, make sure to get him jammed up. First thing she says, Mom said, what's going on? Zayd, she's telling her first, or she might want to get them both in trouble before she even tells what happened. So she mentioned the two people involved and then tells what happened. But by her saying Zayd doing, Mama knows that Zayd did it. By saying Amran, she knows that he's the one that got hit. And then Darba, she knows that Zayd's the one that did that. All because of the tashkil. The Dhammas in the castle. The Dhammas in the Fathas. That's what tells you who did what. Now, the little girl runs in the kitchen. Who got hurt? Amran. And then next, who you trying to get in trouble? Zayd. He did it, Darba. How did he get hurt? Because he hit. So, even though in English we translate